The Paxton Electronics Centre is now open. More than just a building, it's a very visible symbol of our hard work and also a statement of intent.
A huge amount of thought has gone into the design and execution of this building. To have this kind of facility is so exciting. It speaks volumes of our ambitions for growth, our investment in the future and in UK manufacturing, and is a continuation of our efforts to make Paxton the best possible environment to work in. And from my perspective, I'm extremely proud to be a small part of a company which makes these kinds of commitments and uses its profits in this way.
As Paxton's founder, I've been given the job of cutting the ribbon today to the new PEC. I'm going to keep practicing with the scissors and hoping you're going to invite me back to cut some more ribbons.